In today's video, I'm going to teach you building a functional web application in approximately 1 hour using AI-powered tools like Replit, N8N, and Supabase. We'll keep things focused, practical, and fast, so by the end you'll have a usable prototype that you can extend into an internal tool or a simple client app. First, define a tiny slice of functionality you can ship quickly, like a feedback collector or a contact form with a lightweight dashboard. Jot down the fields you need and the actions your app should perform. Keeping the scope tight is the key to hitting the 1 hour build. Next, set up your data layer in Supabase. Create a new project, then add a table that matches the fields you planned, such as name, email, message, and create it at. Enable row-level security and add a quick policy that allows reads where appropriate while keeping writes controlled by your app. You'll use the project URL and an anon key for the client side. Store them as environment variables and never paste them directly into your code. Now move to Replit. Start a new project with your preferred stack, or let the built-in AI help scaffold a simple front-end and back-end. Install the Supabase client library, load your environment variables, and connect the app to your database. Build a clean form on the front end and an API route to create records in Supabase. Keep the UI minimal so you can test quickly. Use console logs and simple error messages to verify that form submissions flow into your table. If you have time, add a basic read endpoint and a page that lists recent entries. With the core app working, add automation using N8N. Create a workflow that starts with a webhook trigger. After a successful submission in your app, send a request to that webhook. In N8N, validate the payload, write to Supabase if needed, and branch out to actions like sending a notification. Save and activate the workflow, then copy the public webhook URL into your app's environment variables so it's easy to rotate later. Run an end-to-end test, submit the form, confirm the record appears in Supabase, and check that N8N runs as expected. Add basic error handling so failures return a clear message and don't crash the app. When everything looks good, use Replit's hosting to share a live link with your team. To wrap up, keep your scope small, your secrets and environment variables, and your logs easy to read. Supabase handles data, Replit speeds up coding and hosting, and N8N automates the busy work, giving you a functional, extensible app in about an hour.